By the way, this engine is a SD70 ACE. I said it was a 70 ACE earlier. I messed up. That's my fault. Just before the video starts, this is a SD70 ACE locomotive from Walthers. Anyways, enjoy. Alright, in today's video, we're going to be going over this ACE-70, I believe, CSX locomotive from Walthers. I have this one. We're just going to be doing a run session. I've had this for a couple months now, and I really like it. It's probably my favorite locomotive in my collection. Most notably, the headlights are here, and there will also light up, and up top along with the number boards will light up. And for DC, that's very good. Also, we got directional lighting as well. It's just an overall great locomotive. The detail on it, I love the CSX paint scheme with the lightning bolt and everything. Overall, it's going to be pulling its normal consist of 13 cars, the coal, the hopper, or 2 hoppers, tank, and 4 tankers. So let's get into it. Correct me if I'm wrong, if I did have the wrong locomotive, but I believe that is an ACE-70. I'm pretty sure. Anyways, let's get into it. One thing I do have to mention about this CSX Walthers, by the way, it's an SD70 ACE, by the way, just to correct myself. One thing I do love about this Walthers is that look at the creeping speed you can get of this thing. Like, this is very good for DC. You can get pretty slow. That would be its probably max creeping speed. Yeah, it being consistent would be that. And then obviously you can have pretty good speed with that as well. That's its max speed. And also along with the max speed, you're gonna get the brightest headlights, it's directional lighting. And like I said, you can get very good lighting on this thing. Look at that. Let's bring it to a stop here. And also has a little bit of what's it called? Momentum, I guess you can call it. But anyways, that's gonna conclude this video. A little bit shorter. It's been 2 weeks since I've uploaded, so I'm gonna probably come off a short right after this. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe if you were new, and let me know what engine you would like to see go around the layout. If you want to see steam engine, Euro 60, or R282 Pennsylvania steamer. Which track would you want to see go on? Number 1 or number 2? Do you want to see a different kind of F7 Amtrak? Let me know. We got all types. So anyways, that's going to wrap it up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.